Hi guys, hope you're all okay. Today I've got a Glossybox unboxing for you. I'm still a bit sniffy. If you follow me on Instagram you might know that I'm sniffy. But I think it's just the start of that season, isn't it? Oh, hello Darwin. I've got MAC Please Me, I think this is called, and if you're a regular you know that Darwin's favourite lipsticks are either Chanel or MAC. Oh, come on, it won't get out of the box. Ooh. Oh, it's advertising the advent calendar, the Glossybox advent calendar. I've seen this online. It's worth over £300. Recommended retail price £99. They're flogging it to Glossybox subscribers for £75 and there's a discount code. Yeah, not happening. Okay, so it's October, so we've got a trick box. I don't, as you guys probably know, I don't watch Glossybox videos until I've opened mine. So does that mean, oh yeah, so some people have got a treat box and some people have got a trick box. Okay, let's see what I've got in mine. So it's rather sumptuous wrapping. Is that the right word? Crimson paper. Darwin is now having a fight with a blanket on the sofa next to me. Lovely. Right. Ooh. So it looks like that. It's been a while, I think, since we've had a palette in a Glossybox. So this is the Sleek Eye Divine. Have we had this before? I've got a feeling we've had this before. If not this one, we've definitely had a sleek palette before. Anyway, eyeshadow palette Au Naturel, full size, £8.99. Can I get into it without breaking a nail? Ever since I've started doing this whole Mrs. Hinch thing with all the cleaning, because I have a thing about rubber and I won't wear gloves, my nails have just been absolutely shocked. They just keep on breaking, and it's because I'm using cleaning products without rubber gloves, but I just can't, I can't do rubber. It's just, we don't have time to go into my phobia of rubber, but it's there. Right. Ooh. Yeah, I've had this before because I've had this conker shade. So I think we've had this before in a previous Glossybox. Now I know I've been getting Glossyboxes since the beginning of time, but they're the very natural shades. This is Conker under the white. I've had it before. It's a beautiful colour, but I'm going to say that we've already been given this palette once. Maybe a very long time ago, because I say I've been getting Glossyboxes since forever. But yeah. Is it going to shut? Yep, there you go. If I was a true beauty blogger, I would do swatches, but I'm not, so I won't. I know you just want to see what I've got. Ooh, so we've got an Illamasqua lipstick. I've never tried their lipstick before. I've got a few of their eyeshadows and they're beautiful. Oh, it's going to be in a colour I'm not going to wear. In the shade Energy. This is £20. Oh. Really? I just like, why get me excited with a lovely brand and lovely packaging and then give me that? Like a vampy red. Surely there are more people out there that will wear a red lipstick than a freaking purple one. Just not swatching it because I'm not keeping it. It's going on eBay. It's just ridiculous. I might seem super ungrateful, but it's like the amount of people out there that will wear purple lipstick. What's the point? Ugh, right. This works. In transit, camera close-up, mask, moisturiser and primer in one. So this is a deluxe mini, which is 20ml. that they say is worth 17 quid. The full size is 40ml, 35 quid. You'll be ready for your close-up with this cruelty-free mask, moisturiser and primer in one. The powerful blend of repairing oh, I can't be bothered. I'm so miffed about that bloody lipstick. I've got a cold. I've put a nice top on. I've kind of done my hair to open this stupid box for a purple bloody lipstick. I don't want to get upset about lipstick, but what a waste, you know, lovely brand. And, you know, I'm sure there are hundreds of people out there that like wearing purple lipstick, but surely there are thousands of people out there that like wearing red. Maybe the people that got the treat box got a red lipstick. Nah. Face mask. Luna by Luna. What are you? A translucent powder hailing from New Jersey. This cruelty-free setting powder sets your makeup, keeping your skin smooth for hours. Recommended retail is 17 quid. This is full size. Keep on looking at that lipstick in disgust. It's a translucent powder. It's got a little pad thing in it. It doesn't smell of anything. There you go. And the last thing in my box is by MUA, which is the MUA but the luxe version. But MUA is a cheap makeup brand. So this is the luxe version. It's a £5, so you know, high end. Luxe Bronze and Sculpt Contour Kit. This vegan friendly cruelty 2-in-1 compact is the perfect way to effortlessly bronze and contour. Now, I've had a few MUA products in my time. These do really nice matte lipsticks from memory. Ooh. It's not a very bronzy. Would you call that a bronze? Like, obviously this is a very bright lighting here, but that's not a bronzer to me. Oh, okay, I'm being stupid. There we go. There's the bronzer. It's like a matte colour and then a highlight, would you call that? Ooh, that's quite pretty actually. I like that. And then it's got a nice little mirror there. Yeah. And that's a £5. And that is this month's Glossybox. Can you tell that I'm not impressed with the lipstick? The one high-end thing in the box this month, and it's bloody purple. Right, that's this month's Glossybox. It might be the last one you see. I think I've had a few too many duds. I have been doing Glossyboxes since they first happened. I might hold out until the Christmas box because the Christmas box is normally good. But yeah, not impressed. Right, that's my grumpy Glossybox. Hope you have somewhat enjoyed the video. If you think you'd have preferred a purple lipstick to a red lipstick or a red lipstick to a purple lipstick, let me know in the comments below. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.